Good morning, class 8th. So today we start from the question number 5th. We will do the question number 5th. Four parts are there of question number 5th. So what is the first part? That 1 upon 3, that 1 upon 3 minus 2 minus 1 upon 9 minus 2 divide by 3 power 2. Now remember this one, this is minus 2 is incorrect. This minus 2 is incorrect. Here 3 power 2 will come only, then only the final answer will come, otherwise it will not come. The question is misprint. Here it is plus 2, not minus 2. Now look at this. Now you solve this one. Now the power become plus, it is minus, it become plus when we will do the reciprocal. So it will 3 upon 2 minus, this is also 9 upon 2, and this is the divide 3 upon 2. The 3 power 2 is what? 9 minus power 2 is what? 81. 9 minus 81 and 3 power 2 9 minus 81 is minus 72 upon 9, and 9 8s are 72. So final answer is minus 8. This is the right answer. Clear? So first part. Now we go for the second part. Second part is what? 5 upon 8 minus 3 into 8 upon 5 minus 5. Look at this. This is the B part. Now what we have to do, now minus power is there, we have to make it plus, we will to do the reciprocal. So 8 upon 5, this is 8 upon 5 3, this is 5 upon 8 5. Clear? It will become plus when we will do the reciprocal. Here also same. The 1 upon 3 means 3 upon 2, 3 upon 1, it will 3 upon 1 power 2, and we will write this also, both are same. Clear? Now 8 upon 5 power 3 means 8 comes 3 time and 5 comes 3 time. Here 5 comes 5 time and 8 comes 5 time. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So what we left? 5 5s are that 25 and 8 8s are 64. This is the final answer, 25 upon 64. Now we go for the C part. That's 7 t square minus divide 28 tm cube. So this is the question. 7 t square divided by 28 tm whole cube means t cube then m cube also, both are in the cube. 7 1s are 7 4s are, so 1 upon 4. Now t square t3, it will become 2, 3 will go up, it will minus, so 2 minus 3, and m will also go up, m minus 3. 1 upon 4, 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and m minus 3. Clear? This is the same property like this. If down one positive one will go up, it will negative will go up positive. Like I will give one example. If 5 minus 1, we can write 1 upon 5. Okay, and suppose 1 upon 2 power 3, 1 upon 2 power 3, so it will become 2 minus 3 when we power will go up. This is the example. Now the D part, last D part, that 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 1 upon 3 2 minus 1 divided by 6 upon 5. Now look that 1 upon 2 minus 3, so it will become 2 power 3 multiply 1 upon 3. Now this 2 multiply minus 1, it become minus 2, and divide by 6 upon 5. 2 power 3 is what? 8. 2 into 2 into 2. Multiply. This is 3 power 2. 1 upon 3 minus 2. 3 will go up. It become plus 3 power 2. Divide by 6 upon 5. Now 8. 3 power 2 is what? 9. Divide by 6 upon 5 means 6 upon 5. And the final step, 8 into 9, 6, and this 5 will go up like that. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2 4s are. So 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. This is the final answer, 60. And now question number 6th. 6th is what? 6th question is find the value of k in the following equations. Equations is what? First one, 6th, 7 power minus 3, 7, 3k plus 2, 7, 15 divided by 7, 8. This is the final equation. Now base same, power will be added. Multiply is there, base same, power will be added. So 7 minus 3, this is plus 3k plus 2. Clear? Here same 7. Now divide is there. If multiply is there, we will be add. If divide is there, we will be the subtract. Minus 8. Here 7. Now minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is what? Minus 1 plus 3k. And 7. 15 minus 8. This is 7. Now both having the same base, they are equal. Minus 1 plus 3k, 7. Now it will be go there. 3k, 7 plus 1, 3k, 8. K is equals to 8 upon 3. Clear? K is equals to 8 upon 3 is the answer. And now the B part, last part. B part is, this is the B part, minus 5 upon 11. Power k plus 2 divided by minus 5 upon 11, minus 4k plus 5 is equals to minus 5 upon 11 to k. This is the question. Now look at carefully. Base same, divide is there. So divide, we have to do the subtraction. So minus 5 upon 11 subtraction means what? K plus 2 minus subtraction of minus 4k plus 5. Clear? Minus is there, so I put the bracket. Here also minus 5 upon 11 2k. Now minus 5 upon 11 k plus 2. Now minus minus will become plus. 4k minus plus is minus 5, minus 5 upon 11 2k. Now base, see first one more, minus 5 upon 11 k plus 4k, it is 5k. 2 minus 5 minus 3, minus 5 upon 11 2k. Base same, power will be equal. So here 5k minus 3 2k, 5k, wait 5k, this 2k will come here, minus 2k, and 3 will be go there. 5k minus 2k, 3k is equals to 3. So k is equals to 3 divided by 3. It will become k is equals to 1. This is the answer. And here k is equals to 8 upon 3 is the answer. Now look at the question number 7. You have to try this one only. Tomorrow I will do this question. 7th is what? By what number should minus 5 upon 6 minus 1 be multiplied as so as to get the minus 1? You have to try this question. And tomorrow I will do the next class. So today is this much homework. 7th question, you have to try it only. Tomorrow I will tell you the final answer. By what number should minus 5 upon 6 minus 1 be multiplied so as to get the minus 1? You have to let the number be x. X will be multiplied this, and you have to get the answer this. Now solve it. Answer will become. So thank you class.